Okay, let me show you a real quick review of the iPhone 17 Pro Max. This is both from a tech perspective and an Apple nerd perspective. Okay, I'm gonna compare this with my iPhone 16 Pro Max that I use every day. In terms of basic size, they're about basically the same size. In terms of weight, the iPhone 17 Pro Max is surprisingly lighter than my 16 Pro Max. In terms of screens, this screen is 1,000 nits brighter than that screen. You can really tell the difference with the new brightness on the iPhone 17 Pro Max. It makes a big difference. I imagine it's going to be really helpful when you're out and about. Nice bright new screen. Apparently the screen is more anti-reflective than the iPhone 16 Pro Max, so again, helping you when you're using it outside. It's also more scratch resistant. If you watch the Jerry Rig Everything review, there is a significant increase in hardness between this phone and the iPhone 16 Pro Max. This has a much harder screen. It's going to be harder to scratch. I do want to preface, I repair hundreds of phones. This will crack, this will get damaged. So either get insurance, get a case, it will get damaged in some way, shape, or form. Even if it's scratch resistant, it's not completely damage proof. Another big difference between the two of these is the back. This is the first phone since the iPhone 10 that they didn't make the back entirely out of glass. This is metal along the perimeter here, and this is one small glass piece. It's pretty easy to remove. I've seen videos of that online. I haven't done it myself. So this is going to make glass repairs about 1/3 cheaper, a lot more reasonable for more people to do for longer. So that's an improvement. In the back, you have this raised camera plateau, as Apple calls it. These cameras are an improvement. They're all 48 megapixels on the new phone, and they zoom to 8x zoom, which is actually a pretty significant zoom when you're playing around with things and you use your phone to take most of your photographs, which many of us do. Okay, a couple other things. The sound on this is definitely louder than my 16 Pro Max. It's a significant increase in sound. Additionally, of course, these have larger storage sizes. This new phone can go up to 2 terabytes of storage. So those are some of the things that are really good about this phone. It's kind of cool. See, the reality is from a technical repair perspective, let me start there. I like this phone. I like how this is a lot more repairable. The teardown of the phone gives me a lot of optimism for repairs. In terms of upgrades, I'm not looking to upgrade from my 16 to my 17 Pro Max because I don't feel that this offers me a lot of innovative features. Yeah, the chip is faster. Yeah, the cameras are better, but that's just all incremental stuff. This is still a beast of a phone and functions well in most situations. What are your thoughts on the iPhone 17 Pro Max? Let me know what you're thinking.